Hi geeks, welcome to College Coders YouTube channel. In this video, we'll see how to solve unsupported Java error in Android Studio. So without wasting your time, let's get started. This error comes when we import any project in Android Studio. As you can see, caused by org.codes groovy control multiple compilation error exception, startup failed. This error stops Gradle build. So to solve this error, we need to click on this unsupported Java. Here you can see your build is currently configured to use Java 17.0.7 and Gradle 6.5. Possible solution: upgrade Gradle wrapper to 7.2 version and re-import the project. So we need to click on it. As you can see, our Gradle build is started. And finally, as you can see, our Gradle build is successful. This is all about how to solve unsupported Java error in Android Studio. Thanks for watching our video. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for further notification.